Howdy sir, this is Anthony and Lenca here at Toyota of Dallas. I'm putting together this video to show you that we've got plenty of Tundras and Tacomas available here at Toyota of Dallas. In your email, I didn't quite know what color, type of truck you were looking for. As you can see, we've got them from limited the ones with the V8s, 4x4, the SRS, so if there's a truck you're looking for, we probably have it, and if we don't, we'll make it available to you. We've got a second lot with more Tundras as well, if you didn't see one that caught your interest, but there's a lot of them. We've got the Tacomas here, again a second lot with more of them. Now that's a kind of a special one, the 1994 Tundra. But just let me know what